If you only know Goa for party, beaches, and booze, then my dear friend, you are missing out on the delectable cuisine and dishes it has to offer. One such dish is the authentic Goan Chicken Vindaloo, known for its fiery flavors and tangy, rich sauce. Perfect for any occasion, feast, parties, weddings, etc., or just on a wonderful weekend evening. Without wasting any time, let's dive straight into the recipe. Here I have taken around 7 dried Kashmiri chilies, 6 cloves, 12 to 15 peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 inch cinnamon stick. Grind everything to a fine powder, and to that you add 2 inches of ginger and 7 garlic cloves. Add 1/4 cup of vinegar and grind to a thick fine paste with sufficient water. Here I have taken half kg chicken. To this you add salt as per taste and the grounded mixture. Mix everything well and keep it for marination for 1 to 2 hours. If you like my recipes, then please hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. Heat some oil and fry 2 large chopped onions until they attain a nice golden brown color. Once browned enough, add the marinated chicken and mix everything well together. Keep the flame on low to medium and cover to cook until the chicken releases water. After 5 to 8 minutes, give everything a good stir and adjust the consistency with around 1.5 cup of water. I've added the water from the same bowl I used for marination. Adjust salt as per liking and add 1/4 cup of tamarind pulp. To balance out the flavor, add around half tablespoon of sugar. Cover to cook until the chicken is well done and the gravy thickens in consistency. So easy, right? Delicious and authentic Goan Chicken Vindaloo is ready to be served. Try this recipe for the upcoming festivities and let me know in the comment section how it turns out for you. If you like my recipes and video, then do give it a like, comment and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and join my YouTube family. I'll see you all in my next video with another festive recipe. Until then, take care and stay safe.